Here in Bali, every path leads to a new discovery. From sacred temples to secret beaches, every day is an adventure. Let's start our journey. Our first stop, the iconic Tanah Temple, is a marvel at the edge of the sea. As one of Bali's most important landmarks, this temple is a perfect blend of spiritual and natural beauty. Perched on a cliff, the Uluwatu temple offers a stunning view of the Indian Ocean. It's also a great spot to witness the mesmerizing kikak dance at sunset. In the heart of Ubud, the Monkey Forest is not just a wildlife sanctuary but a spiritual center, combining nature with ancient temple ruins. Away from the crowds lies Sekumpul Waterfall, a breathtaking cascade hidden within Bali's lush northern forests. In the tranquil Sidemen Valley, Bali's rural charm comes to life amidst verdant rice fields and traditional village scenes. For seafood lovers, Jimbaran Bay is a paradise. Enjoy fresh catches right on the beach as the sun dips below the horizon. In Seminyak, cafes like Revolver Espresso and Sister Fields offer a blend of local and international flavors in stylish settings. As night falls, Bali's beach clubs like Potato Head and Coup d'etat come alive with music, dance, and ocean views. The best time to visit Bali? Between April and September, when the weather is dry and perfect for outdoor adventures. However, the quieter rainy season from October to March has its own charm with fewer crowds and lush landscapes. For a romantic evening, a sunset dinner cruise around Jimbaran Bay offers an unforgettable experience with stunning views and exquisite dining. Couples can also indulge in a private Balinese cooking class, learning to create traditional dishes in an intimate setting. And for relaxation, a couple spa day in Ubud's serene surroundings is the perfect way to unwind and connect. Our journey through Bali's diverse beauty, rich flavors, and romantic hideaways comes to a close. But the spirit of Bali, with its endless adventures and heartwarming experiences, stays with us forever. Until we meet again, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of this magical island.